Hello everyone, this is Abhinav from Namaste Fragrance and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Silver Scent Intense from the house of Jack Bogart. Well, I got into Bogart fragrances after watching a fellow YouTuber, Joy Amin. I mean, he really loves these fragrances, and if you get a chance, please do check out his channel. He does some really amazing reviews. I'll put the link down in the description. And he really loves this house, and why not? Yeah, I mean, these fragrances are really amazing. They have good quality, they have beastly performance, and they are not that expensive at all. Okay, I mean, these fragrances are truly genuinely value for money fragrances. I currently have 3 of them. I have 2 from the One Man Show line, and I have 1 from the Silver Scent line, the Silver Scent Intense. And I wish to add more of Bogart fragrances to my collection. Well, today we are talking about Silver Scent Intense, and this was first released in 2009. And this is the more powerful, more dense, more intense version of the original Silver Scent. Okay, this is how the bottle looks, the original Silver Scent. With that out of the way, let's just get into the fragrance. Let's start off with the presentation. This is a very simple presentation. This is the box, this is the front. It's a black glossy box. This is the back with the ingredients, and you have you have the barcode and the batch code with the warning labels down over here with the Bogart logo up top. It's a very minimalistic, very simple presentation. This is the bottle. It's a very old school design. I actually love this design, and all the other Silver Scent fragrances come in the same bottle with different colors. This is glass and this is a plastic, and the atomizer is like a part of this. This is not a cap. Okay, let's check out the atomizer. This is a very good atomizer when you compare it to the other cheap fragrances out there. The only problem with this design is that the atomizer is a part of the bottle, and this is not a cap, so you have to only make sure that every time you spray that the nozzle is always in this slot and it doesn't move around that much. So with that, let's get into the note breakdown. Well, some of the main notes in the fragrance are orange, lemon, lavender, coriander, rosemary, cardamom, tonka bean, oud and teak. Well, this is a very sweet fragrance. You definitely get the citrus from the orange and the lemon with all the spices in the background. But as the fragrance transforms and goes into the mid, the lavender and all the spices, they take the front seat and they become more prominent, with the citrus slowly fading away. And as the fragrance dries down even further, it just gets sweeter and sweeter with a very woody, earthy, green vibe to it. To sum it up, this is a very sweet fragrance. It, to my nose at least, it has a little bit of that Middle Eastern vibe to it, more like an attar, but a much subtle and refined version of that. A lot of my friends really love the 1 million and the 212 VIP. They have been using these fragrances for years now, and only because of how sweet they are and how attention grabbing they are. Well, let me tell you, this fragrance is even more sweeter than those fragrances. This is a very sweet and spicy fragrance, and if you are into that, then you should definitely check this one out. Well, performance is the area where this fragrance really shines. You can easily get 8 to 10 hours of longevity. Personally, indoors at home when I was testing this fragrance, I've got around 12 hours of longevity, and this really stays on your clothes. Okay, I could still pick up this fragrance even after my clothes were washed, and I could still pick up faint hints of this fragrance from my clothes. Well, in terms of projection, this fragrance can easily fill up a room as you walk in. This is going to this is a head turner. People will notice you when you spray this on you and you walk in a room, in a closed room. If not sprayed cautiously, let me be very clear, this has the potential to give you and people around you a really bad headache. This is a very cloying fragrance. It's very strong. So please spray this fragrance very cautiously. Well, in terms of wearability, this is not a very versatile fragrance. This is strictly a cold weather fragrance. You can wear this in winters, but Don't even try to wear this in summers unless you hate yourself and hate people around you. Okay, this can easily qualify as a date night or a clubbing scent because this is really strong. It will grab a lot of attention, it will turn heads, it will turn a lot of heads, but please be very cautious. Please use this fragrance very cautiously because this is very strong. In my opinion, I think Silver Scent Intense is a very good fragrance. It has a nuclear performance, it is unique, and like all other Bogart fragrances, this is super value for money. So if you like sweet fragrances, you want to smell different, and all you care about is performance, then this one's for you. You should definitely check this one out. I know I've been saying that this is a super value for money fragrance, so here it goes. A 100 ml bottle like this one will cost you around 3,000 rupees, that is around 25 US dollars in India. And don't worry, but it still gets cheaper because there are a lot of discounts available on Bogart fragrances. So you can easily pick any of the fragrances from the Silver Scent line for around 2,000 rupees, which is a very good deal considering the quality and the performance that you get from this fragrance. I'll put all the links down in the description so you can check them out. Just as a side note, 90% of Bogart fragrances are winter wear specific. Okay, they are not made for hot weathers. Okay, they are very strong, they are very potent, some of them are really nice, some of them are really unique, and some of them are very challenging. So before you buy Bogart fragrances, I would recommend that you go out to your local mall or to your local stores, try them out before buying. Okay, don't blind buy. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy the video, a sub would be highly appreciated. Please don't forget to click the bell icon, and if there are any other fragrances that you would like me to check out, please do let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to do it. Till then guys, stay safe, smell you later. Namaste.